Hello, Chef here. How to dice an avocado. Step 1, buy your avocados, let them ripen for a few days. This one is still a little firm, but it's ripe. Remove the pit. Okay, step 2, cut the avocado perfectly in half. With a large knife. Oh. Remove the pit. Next, you can dice an avocado like this by making some cuts inside very carefully. And you can also remove the avocado and then proceed to dice it very, very carefully. Okay, there we go. 2 ways, diced avocado. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Check out the tools and get cooking. Have a great day. Add the avocado to your favorite mixture, and then you can serve it by stuffing it back in the shell for a nice presentation. Uh-huh. Finished pizza, looking really good, and this is where that fresh basil is gonna go. Oh yeah. Wild mushroom and other great chef recipes. Click that little like button. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this recipe with some of your friends, especially if they're into organics and vegan, you know, the wild living and foraging. And you might not even believe it's a mushroom. Don't forget about your sponsor. If you need all the cool stuff right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. This is Appalachian red oak with a clear coat of food-safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm going to be back and show you a few tips here.